Do you want to film, Mum, because you can get back further and get her and the grapes in, which I can't. I've started it, so just come and take it from me. Yeah, it's going now. Brilliant. Brilliant. God, looks like Steve. And his little...
Num num? Num num?
Oh, what happened?
Is that num num?
Oh, here's the dog's having a look. Share the grapes. Oh, yummy. Lovely. Mum will be happy. Oh, look at this. There's some... Yummy. Hello. Hello, Emily. Is that beautiful clip in your hair? Here comes a hungry person. A little zoo. Mini zoo. You're a bit close here. Oops. Really close, but...
Sit on the big ball. Sit on the big ball.
Oh. That's lovely. That's beautiful. Absolutely.